Hey, what's happening, everybody? It's your man KR coming to you live and direct out of Chicago. I would like to personally welcome you to the FLN Mobile Network. This is my mobile network where we're helping people to be monthly bill free. I'm going to dive right into this thing so I can show you how it is that we're doing it. Our mission here is to help you guys to get rid of your rent mortgage, car loan insurance, utilities and services costs, as well as give you money for your lifestyle. Now, how are we doing this? We're doing this based upon the fact that President Obama in 2012 signed the Jobs Act. Let's take a look at that. The Jobs Act was the game changer. It came about in 2012. On May of 2012, the Jobs Act, created by President Barack Obama, was created to provide an ease of access to money for small businesses, startups, and individuals. The bill also helped entrepreneurs find investors through online crowdfunding, allowing all Americans to invest in new companies and people. For more mature companies like Walmart, Target, and these companies, the bill reduced the red tape involved in publicly selling stock. For individuals such as ourselves, it allows us to help each other to grow and prosper. That is all about what Free Life is doing here, guys. We're helping people to grow using crowdfunding. We've created something that's a little bit particular, though. We've created targeted crowdfunding. We're targeting rent mortgage, car loan insurance, utilities and services, life essential costs, as well as your lifestyle. Now, let's take a look at something, guys. When President Obama signed the Bipartisan Jobs Act, he said this about the law's crowdfunding provision, and I quote, "This bill is a potential game changer. Right now, you can only turn to a limited group of investors, including banks and wealthy individuals, to get funding. Because of this bill, startups and small business will now have access to a big new pool of potential investors, namely the American people. For the first time, ordinary Americans will be able to go online and invest in entrepreneurs that they believe in." That's us, guys. We're able to feed into each other now, according to the law of crowdfunding, and help each other to survive. And what better way to do that than to target rent mortgage, car loan insurance, utilities and services, life essential costs, as well as your lifestyle. This is amazing. Now, for those that don't know, let's take a really brief look at what crowdfunding is. Crowdfunding is the practice of funding a project or venture by raising small amounts of money from a large number of people, typically via the internet and or offline. Crowdfunding is a form of crowdsourcing and considered to be a great source for alternative financing. Look at this. In the year 2015, over $34 billion was raised worldwide by crowdfunding. Imagine if you could have just touched 1% of that. That would have been amazing, right? So, a much more simple definition would be this: crowdfunding is simply people helping people. That's what we're getting ready to do, guys. We're getting ready to help each other to maintain. But I want to go back and touch upon this for you so you could really understand why we're doing what it is we're doing. Due to the spread of the COVID-19 virus and the current stay at home order that has been put into place by the Centers for Disease Control and the federal government, we are helping our members to maintain their financial well-being right from the comforts of their own home. This is being done via crowdfunding and mobile marketing. Everybody have one of these, and we figured out a way to help you guys change your lives with it. Now let's look at the mobile part of what it is we're doing. Mobile crowdfunding is similar to the typical crowdfunding platform, except the entire structure and operation is being implemented using mobile devices. Ask yourself this question: how many people do you know that have mobile devices? That's probably everyone that you know, right? Everyone has an Apple or an Android device. Now, let me ask you another question. How many people do you know that have these devices that would love to use them to eliminate all of their monthly bills? Once again, same answer, probably everyone that you know. So, this means one thing. We have created a mobile marketing system which allows our members to promote this amazing opportunity to others via text and email messaging. Our mobile marketing strategy helps us to keep each member safe at home while still allowing them to generate a powerful income right from the comforts of the house, guys. That is what we're doing, and it is amazing. Now, let's look at our overall objective again. FLN's overall objective is to help our members to eliminate all of their monthly bills by simply using their mobile devices. Many people struggle during this COVID-19 pandemic monthly trying to make ends meet just in order to have enough money to cover bills and family needs. So this is what we figured. If we can eliminate the monthly bills, then implement a powerful monthly income, financial freedom can be obtained in record-breaking time. Furthermore, our sights are set on the elimination of the following 5 monthly expenses listed below: rents and mortgages, car loans and insurance payments, utilities and services costs, life essential costs, and lifestyle. So imagine if you have no more bills, you can sit in the house and relax. If you have no more bills, you can enjoy your family without having to go to a job with a mask on, risking your life. Guys, this thing is amazing. The income that can be secured by no longer having funds extracted out of your home due to the 5 expenses that I just mentioned above can prove out to be very substantial. And that is what we're trying to do. Now, how do we do that? We want to look at the power of six. Everybody knows 6 people that would love to not have to pay bills. They're right in your phone. You don't even have to go look for people. There are 6 people right in your phone that would love to be monthly bill free. And we're asking you to touch upon those people and try to help them out. Everyone knows 6 or more people that has a smartphone that would love to be 100% monthly bill free. So like I said, we want you to touch upon those people and ask them, how would you like for me to help you to eliminate some of your bills? They're not going to say anything to you but yes. And to prove it to yourself, do a quick test. Write down the name of as many people that you know in your phone that would love to be monthly bill free. Contact them and let them know, hey, I'm about to send you something. Check this out. And then give them an opportunity to make an executive decision over their life and their finances, whether they want to join you or not. And you're going to be surprised. They're going to be like, yeah, I want to knock that money off of my bill. Yeah, of course. So this is something that's super exciting. Now, let's look at the taxes. Everybody say, well, when I'm receiving money in, how are the taxes handled? Well, because of President Obama and he putting that, and him putting that tax base in place, now we're able to receive up to $15,000 from any one person during the course of one fiscal year without even having to worry about taxes. But what we've done over here is to sort of shelter us from that. You will not receive no more than $6,000 per year in donations from any one person based upon our crowdfunding packages that we put into place. These 5 crowdfunding packages only cap out at what? $6,000 per year. So you're set. You don't have to worry about it, right? We're $9,000 below the cap. That's what's up, guys. Now, how do we do this? We build mobile power lines. Those 6 people that I talked about, each one of those 6 people fills one mobile power line. Each mobile power line consists of 6 people, and you can build as many power lines as you wish. Build as many as you wish. Now, remember one thing: you're going to be doing this for absolutely free, and I'm going to show you how it becomes free. But right now, I need you to understand that each power line pays out at $3,000 each. Each power line pays out at $3,000 each, all except power line number one. Power line number one is the power line where your $500 residual payment comes from. So you will not be paying your residual payment. It will be paid for you by your first member that came in. That member will pay because his first member is paying him, and his first member or her first member is paying her. So that means no one actually pays a residual to be here. It costs $110 to get started with us, but I'm going to even show you how that becomes free. Watch this. We're going to dive into this, guys. What do we do? How is this being done? Well, what we're doing is we're building digital portfolios, crowdfunding digital portfolios. The digital portfolio that you're going to be building consists of these components: rent, mortgage, car loan, insurance, utility service, life essential costs, and lifestyle. Once you have all 5 of these components inside of that portfolio, you're off and running, right? You're set. You have everything you need. You start earning from your first component, which is rents and mortgage, because someone's going to start paying into your rent and your mortgage. Imagine that. Somebody paying into your rent and mortgage. Now, how do you be here for free? Well, what you're going to do is this. You're going to put up $110 to join. You're going to send a $100 donation to your sponsor, $10 to set up your lifetime membership with FLN. And then once you bring in your first person, we call it the DRP, which is the donation reimbursement program, you're going to receive your $100 right back. That means that you're here for free. Now, I'm going to take you down and show you our chart, and this is going to blow your mind. My first mission is to get $2,500 fast start bonus in your pocket immediately. We want to do that in the first 14 to 21 days. If you work with me, we can do that. Now, I'm going to build 4 power lines just for illustration purposes only. You can build as many as you like. But let's look at power line number 1. This is your first 2,500 going in. Every other power line after this is 3,000. Our components are rents, mortgage, car loan, insurance, utility service, life essential costs, and lifestyle. Moving from the left to the right, we have the donations, We have the number of donors, which is those 6 great people. You notice it say same 6 all the way through this power line, so you don't need to go get another 6. Donations received as well as component upgrades. And this is your most important section, bankable funds. This is your money you can take and spend, and this is the money you will be receiving residually. So let's get started. Let's assume that you've already sent a $100 donation to your sponsor. He's activated your portfolio by putting the rents and mortgage component in there and activating it. So now you're going to share this with 6 great people at $100 each for a total of 600. Once you do that, you're going to take that 600 and pinch off it and send 100 and take possession of your car loan component. Banking for yourself 500. So you see your upgrade was done strictly out of profit. Strictly out of profit. You're here for free now because you have your 100 back. Watch this, guys. Now, what you're going to do now is have your 6 members duplicate your efforts, because duplication is the key. They're going to share this great opportunity with their 6 people. Then they're going to upgrade for 100 into the car loan. Time those 6 people is going to give you another 600. 100 is going to be pinched off and it's going to take possession of your utilities component. Banking for yourself, another 500. How do you like that? Yeah. So now when your team members duplicate that effort, taking possession of the utilities just like you, that's going to be another 100 times 6 people, another 600 in. You're going to take 100 off of that and go into your life essentials page. When you do that, that component is going to be purchased, and then you're going to turn around and bank another 500. Bam! When your team members do the same thing at $100 going into their life essentials, time to 6, that's another 600 in. 100 is going to take possession of your last component, which is your lifestyle. You're going to bank another 5. Now watch this though. This is where it gets interesting. So now your team member is going to duplicate that, taking possession of your lifestyles at the 6 people, 600 in, but look, 0. Nothing comes out. Oh, wow. That means you get to keep it because you already own all 5 of your components. So that means now instead of 500 in, 600 goes in. So let's look at what we've just done. You've just received your $100 back that you came in with. You've collected $3,000 in donations. You've taken 500 from the 3,000. That's set up your residual and that's paid. Right, bam. And then that means that you have a total of 2,500 that came in. That is your quick start bonus. Very easy, no work done. You didn't have to go talk to a lot of people. 2,500 in and it's coming in every month. Let's build another power line. So now you have those 6 people in the place working. Go get a fresh 6, a new 6 people, a fresh new 6. You have nothing else to put into, so everything is going to go into your pocket, nothing coming out. When those 6 people come in at 100, times the 6, another 600 in. Nothing going out now because you own everything. 600 in the bank. When they upgrade and go into the car loan insurance, another 600 in, basically, nothing going out, basically, and that means 600 more going into your bank account. Have them continue their progression until they have all of the components. That's going to give you $3,000. Nothing going out. Add that 3,000 with the previous 2,500 from power line number 1. You are up to $5,500 in residual coming in with just 2 power lines and only 12 people. Wow, let's build another power line. I love it, guys. So now, same thing. Go get a fresh 6 people, fresh, ready to go. They're ready to end those bills. Plus, now you have payment proof in your back office. When those people come in at $100 times 6, 600 in, nothing out, 600 in the bank. Let them continue their progression until they're in possession of all of the components. That's going to be another 3,000 in, nothing went out, plus the 5,500 from power line number 2 for a total of $8,500 in residuals coming in every month with no work done. Nobody has done any work. Let's build the final power line. Now, you can build as many as you want, but for illustration purposes, I did 4. You're going to bring in a fresh 6, time that 100, 600 in, absolutely nothing going out, $600 in the bank. When they continue their progression and take possession of each component within the portfolio, that means that you're going to collect another $3,000. Nothing going out. Add that power line with power line number 3, which was 8,500, for a total of 11,500. Amazing, guys. This is something that anybody can do, and we're doing it all from our mobile devices. You did 11,500 with no work involved. You did your first 2,500 in less than 14 to 21 days, and you're receiving residual income, and you're not paying a residual payment. You've received your money back that you started with. What more can you ask for? We've done it, guys. We've created a network to change lives during this global pandemic, and we're working with each other. That's the most important thing. So, right now, get back to your sponsor, that great person that introduced you to us, and I look forward to seeing you at the Free Life Network. You guys have a great night, and you take care. Bye bye.